mum's the word. It's time for mums. I have mums throughout my garden, but I've never had any around the pond. Welcome to K&D's Homestead. I'm Donna. Today I'm going to be planting some mums and setting out some pumpkins around my little small garden pond. And first I've got to clean it out, which I started doing that. It's full of chocolate mint. And I've cleaned out a big majority of it, but I need to probably clean a little bit more out. But it's the season. The temperature is very cool and crisp, and it's just a beautiful day to be out here. It's a little overcast, so it's not too hot. This is my little garden pond. I've had it here for about 12 years. And while I know the water is very ugly, yucky, I don't have my pump in it. After I finish getting the whole thing set up and things planted in it, I'm going to put my pump back in it and clean out and filter all of that water. But right now is the time to be planting mums. Actually, I should have bought some sooner and planted them, but I thought I had enough around my garden. They come back year after year when you plant them in the ground. And I have some over here. Those, my goodness, those are probably 8 to 10 years old. And I have some planted around the side of the greenhouse as well and in the front. And those are, I don't know, 5 to 10 years old. I lose track of how long I've had something out here. But anyways, I went and got the tractor and filled it up with some soil from my compost pile. This is it right here, but it is a bit heavy in my opinion, so I'm going to add some peat moss and fluff it up. I'm going to do some amendments before I add it to the pond, because the pond level of the soil, it's unlevel. I need to put some in and bring the level back up and refresh all of the soil that is in there. So that's what I'm going to do right now, is I'm going to get started. So I have a couple of yellow mums, a couple of pretty pink mums, and a couple of pumpkins, one big one, one small one. In the middle here is chocolate mint. On the back corner, that is the Texas Star hibiscus right there. And then over here is my rosemary. I think it turned out pretty good. I'm not finished. I've got some dianthus that I want to plant in between things, but so far it's looking good. I just got tired and I had to quit, but I have other decorations to put out as well. I like to do the garden up for the fall and do a lot of mums and colorful things that can carry me into when everything is getting really drab and blah. Most of the garden is pretty much gone. I've been cleaning beds out and cleaning off trellises. And the only thing usable out here in this garden is in the very back box back there. I've still got a lot of bell peppers going on and some marigolds. And then I've got mums right here. These mums are about 10 years old. They're budding, but they haven't bloomed yet. But everything else is pretty much has been and washed up. And I've been working cleaning the boxes, but I'm not there yet. I'm not done. My bell peppers are still hanging on. I got one red one. These are all red, yellow, and orange. And I got one red one this morning. They're good size. They just need to turn. But our weather got really cool. I'm not sure that they're going to turn or not. This is a rose bush here. Got some buds coming out on that. This is a real pretty lavender rose bush. I have a mum here. I can't remember what color this is. I think this is a yellow mum. I'm not sure. It's been here for many years, but at this moment I can't remember what color it is. And this wood needs to be picked up and replaced. It has dry rotted. So that's marshmallow left. I cut it back. It was about 5 feet in height, but it did not look good, and it was getting the rust spots on it and just really ugly. So I cut it back and I cleaned out this flower bed here. I'd like to put something in it. I just don't know yet what I'm going to put in it. This is a big mum right here, and this has got some age on it as well. I wish I could remember the colors. I have purples and yellows and oranges. This mum here is not doing good. I think it got choked out. This hibiscus in the back was so big, it shaded this and just kind of choked it out. It didn't get a lot of sunlight, so it's not doing good at all. But I want to put dianthus everywhere. I love dianthus because here in our zone, our area, it blooms all year and they multiply. I just love dianthus. This is old as well. I've had it a long time. It comes back continuously, but it blooms during the winter as well as the summer. And I'm going to fill up dianthus in between the mums around the pond. I still have work to do around the pond. Like I said, I'm going to put out some dianthus in that pond, and then I'm going to fill it all in with straw, and I don't know what else I'm going to do to that pond, and I need to put the pump in it, but that's going to have to come another day because it's getting kind of late in the day and it's getting chilly. I mean, it's been cool all day. We've had overcast, and it's so cool I had to go get a sweater. And I'm ready to go in and just sit back and relax until I have to cook for dinner, so I'm going to call it quits. I generally don't do anything for my mums because they just grow and bloom for nothing. If I plant them in the ground, they come back year after year. I think they're going to look good, and they're going to grow and do well. So anyways, I just wanted to show my fall decorations and what I'm putting out. I've got more stuff to put out. I just need more time, and I'll do that another day. Until then, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope that you like my mums, and I hope you're decorating. And if you are, tell me about it. I'd love to know what everybody's doing for fall and how they're decorating. And give me some ideas. Give me some ideas and examples. I'd love to hear about it. I hope you enjoyed my video and you like my mums. If you liked it, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. So I will see y'all again on the next video. So bye-bye.